In this video, I will show you how to import bookmarks in Arc browser. So to import bookmarks from a different browser such as Google Chrome or Brave, what you want to gonna do is in the top left, just click on the search bar and here simply type in import from another, and you should already see it right here. So gonna click on this and then you will see import from your old browser, and they have these three options. So they have Brave, Chrome and Safari. So if you use one of these, for example I use Chrome, then you can just click on it, and now since I have Chrome installed on my Mac, it will then show all of my Chrome profiles right here. And for this I think you also need to have it open, so then you can just select whichever one you want to do and then click next, and then you can import it to an existing Arc profile or create a new one and then click import. And then you also need to enter your password, but here you can then select which bookmarks you want to do. So you can select all of them or just a few, whatever you want to do, and then they will be imported onto your Arc browser. So now you know how to import bookmarks in Arc browser. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.